All right, we're going to take a look at this product called PageCraft AI. So what you'll do is you can either describe exactly the product that you want to create a sales page for and a funnel, or you can actually go over here to paste a full page copy. So let's say you created your copy, you hired someone, or you used like Claude AI to write your sales page copy. You would just paste that all in right here. So we're going to go right here, and I'm going to just go ahead and use one of my newest softwares called Clickspark AI. And this, I'm actually giving this away as a bonus if you do end up picking this PageCraft AI up. The first link below, if you go and pick that up, then you will get this access right here, which I'm going to be selling here in the future on Wire Plus. But this is Clickspark AI. You can create 10 click-worthy YouTube titles in seconds. This actually will generate the titles based on the latest, greatest frameworks and models that are working from companies like One of 10 and a bunch of other companies that are like that. And they go out there and study tens of thousands of YouTube titles, and then they find out what the actual winning formulas are right now, what types of titles work. And so it's based around all that in the background. So it's not just like going to Claude and saying, hey, write 10 titles. This is actually a very specific format that we have created the software for. So this is Clickspark AI. You'll be able to get access to this as the free bonus. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and just copy this right here, and let's just see if it just uses just exactly this, right? Clickspark AI, 10 click-worthy YouTube titles in seconds, right? I'm just gonna do that, and then a copywriting framework, so we can actually roll the random framework. It's gonna have like the big idea, write a long form sales page letter. We can click this button here, and it'll give us a different one, like kick-ass copywriting right here. So write a long form sales letter in this type of format. We can keep going. So long sales, Dan Kennedy right here, direct marketing. Let's go like that, or you can pick a specific framework manually. Okay, so you just click that right there, and we have these right over here. So right along, so these are all long form based. This one's based on 17 psychological triggers right here. So what I like about this so far is that it is built upon, Dan Kennedy's the only one that stands out to me that I actually know of, to be honest. Right here, maybe this one right over here, Drew Eric Whitman, but we're going to go with the Dan Kennedy right here, and I'm going to say continue. I'd like to see them add more people in there, maybe even some modern ones in direct marketing as well, kind of like Alex Hormozy or maybe some other ones like that. But we'll come through here. So let the AI choose the best theme. So, or describe your own theme. So you could describe that or use these different themes right here, color palettes. That's actually pretty cool. Neo-brutalist. Here's one that's a little bit more like LearnWire, a tech startup. That's pretty cool. And let's just create one that just looks really, really cool. Look at all those different colors right there, which is super cool. Trust blue, I like that as well. But let's do this. Let's do this cosmic space one. That looks pretty cool. So we're going to select that. Generate mega prompt. And now it's going to come over here. So your details, you can go and turn this stuff off or on. You can put the logo text on. So turn this on to add a sticky header that follows the reader down the page. I don't think I want to do that. Brand kit, you can go and select all this on, turn this on to use your own colors and fonts instead of the theme pattern. So we don't need that as well because we're choosing one of those, but the images, paste links, and choose where each one goes. So they have a whole guide that comes free as well, which is actually really, really nice. Let me go and see if I can pull that up real quick. Right over here. So you'll get a bunch of bonuses after you purchase. And one of the bonuses is this image hosting guide. And it will literally give you all this amazing, like these are free, image compressors, free places to host your images, paid places. It's going to tell you, your existing web hosting. So I have that. And so that's where I host my images is on my own hosting provider, like your website hosting. But you can also go specifically to companies like this right here, bunny.net and stuff like that. So this is just one of the 6 really good bonuses that the vendor gives you when you purchase. And this is just one of them. I wanted to show you that. So that's actually really cool. So they'll take care of you right there. We can add these images right over here or paste a batch of them. And this is where you would want. So if you add one, you do need them hosted on another, which is great. It's going to actually make the site that much more faster. But you can go in here and paste those in right there as well. I'm going to go ahead and just leave that alone. Image galleries, purchase buttons, announcer banners. So you can go and completely customize all of this right here, how long the page runs and how it sounds. So I'm going to go over here. Now this is where we get to choose. We have long, epic, and standard. I'm going to move this to standard. I don't want it to be too long. So you can see right there, you can go massive page right there, but I'm going to go standard of 8 to 12 viewport heights. The voice is direct and plain, warm and personal. Let's go with all this stuff. I'm going to go with warm and personal on this one, actually. And then level, plain, simple. I want to go with simple. And then we're going to go with urgency, gentle, medium, and strong. I'll also leave it on medium. Humor a little. And then point of view to you, we are, or first person I. Emojis, just a few. And we'll just leave those on because I want you to see what they look like. And then paragraph size, medium and I'd always go with short. And then a balanced call to action. We can go with hard sell or soft, and we'll build the prompt from here. Your mega prompt is ready. So copy this prompt and paste it into any AI tool. The AI will generate a complete interactive, fully animated sales page right over here. Okay. So now the long pages. So what this tool does is it creates that master prompt based on everything that we did right here. About 4,000 prompt words right here. Dan Kennedy framework, 205 plus effects library, cosmic space design. We can open an AI tool. We can copy the prompt to the clipboard. So there's your prompt. So I'm going to probably use Claude because we're going to be coding. And while it's building that, so I'm going to copy the prompt. So one thing, paste your prompt into ChatGPT, Claude, or any other tool you like. Here's the one thing that people up so you're ready for it. So because this prompt is long, ChatGPT sometimes treats it like a file and answers with something like this. I received the text, blah, blah, blah. If it asks that, send this back. Boom. Okay. Create the sales page now. So got it. So I'm going to copy the prompt again, and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to open up a trusty old Claude. And what we'll do is we will probably I'm not going to use Opus 5 and actually come down here to just Opus 4.8. And I'm going to paste this prompt in right here. And you can see right over here when we click on this, we have your role, your world-class sales page designer, blah, blah, blah. So it's got all this stuff right over here. Really cool. And remember, we only gave it just a couple lines, Clickspark AI, and 10 click-worthy YouTube titles in seconds. That's all. We literally gave it less than 10 words, and we'll see what it ends up writing for us, how good this prompter is, okay? So while it's creating that, let me talk about the vendor right over here. So the vendor is Abdul Bell, and he is a top 10% affiliate. He has over 1,000 sales on the platform and a 4.25 star rating. And he has had some really good products in here right over here. Interactive worksheet creators, over 500 sales on his last launch right there. You can see PageCraft's doing well at over 50 sales so far. The product is $19 just for the front end product. And the upsells, let me go up here and look at the one-time offers because I know that you guys are always interested in those as well. The one-time offers are PageCraft AI. One-time offer 1 is a Visual Forge AI. That is $67. The OTO2 is Copy Visual Studio. That's $27. And then we have Forge AI, which is the OTO3, which is $27. So nothing bad, nothing terrible, nothing $97 or anything like that. Most of them are $27 with one $67 product. And there's only 3 OTOs, so it's not like this 10 upgrade package thing or anything like that. So remember, you get access to Clickspark. While we're waiting for this, it's going to be processing. We will go and say, hey, let's go and come up with something that we are going to, some titles for. So let's just say I want to write some titles for, the best AI website and app builders in 2026. So that's my idea for my title. It's just a working title, right? Now we're going to push generate title, and it's going to go forge these titles for us. And it's going to go out and look at all those frameworks that I've loaded in and given specific instructions on how to create these titles. And it can take up to 90 seconds because I've instructed the AI to really, really and make sure that it follows the patterns and the frameworks before just spitting out titles. So we'll come back in a minute. Okay, perfect. So here are the titles that were created with Clickspark, and then we're going to go take a look at what PageCraft was able to create for the website. So here are our titles. 3 AI builders will replace 10K developers. Don't pick an AI builder until you watch this. And this AI tool is so powerful, it might get banned. These are the types of titles that you see get 10,000, 100,000 or plus types of titles. It will also list the framework, right? So powerful ban, warning, don't do this until, big number, stakes. And then there's a bunch of other ones right over here. Now you can scroll down, you can actually create 10 more. You can also come up here and you can copy all these titles as well. So again, you can get access to this title creator for YouTube. And these are going to be titles that are going to perform well in the browse suggested, YouTube pushing you in the algorithm type of what I call like kind of viral type titles. They have a chance to go viral. These are not necessarily ones that are going to perform well on search. That's a different strategy. Okay. So let's go take a look at what the website, wow, this looks really crazy. Okay. So let's go and take a look. So here is based on PageCraft, right? All the prompts we got over here, this big giant prompt right over here. This is the site that Claude created for us, right? You're going to get different results, whether you use Gemini, ChatGPT, but Claude's probably the best for coding. So I do recommend using Claude. And this is just Claude Opus 4.8. They have Claude Opus 5 now, and then also Claude Fable 5. So they even have more powerful models, but I think you can agree and see that you're going to be able to create a ridiculous website they're just getting more and more ridiculous, right? As far as how good they look. So it has all this right here. It has the your next video deserves a title. People scroll past. Now we could change this if we don't want the hero to look like that, or if we wanted to have the hero more centered, things like that. But look at this, right? So you can come over here and you can test this out right over here. And then you could go and get this or see how it works. And it's going to take you through here. This is a really, this site looks like we just paid $5,000 for this easy. What do you guys think right here? And it's all about the prompting that PageCraft AI gave us and the copy that it created for us. The outcomes you actually are about more clicks from the same video. So it really did good just staying on point. And we gave it like 7 words. That's it. So stop rewriting the same title 8 times and second guessing all of them. It gets 10 good ones in seconds. So I could use this as my sales page for Clickspark right over here, which is absolutely, so that is what it was able to create. Let's go back over here. Are there any other steps? Save your finished page. When the AI gives you the full HTML, paste it here and save it. It gets stored on this project and shows up in my pages so you can always come back to it. Okay, so you'd come over here, we would go in and grab the code. So maybe download as HTML. There's the code right there. Yeah, so we would download the code. Okay, so here's how you do that. You come up here and then you just click on this code button here, and then you have all the code right here. So then we would just click in here somewhere and maybe copy that and then come back over here to PageCraft and we would paste this in right here. So there's all the code for this right here. Save this project right there. And then it even has a preview of the site down here. And then we could just go back over here to my pages, and now it saves that page that we can come back to at any point and make changes, change the prompt, all that kind of stuff. So this is PageCraft. It's $19. It's a prompt generator, but it's kind of like a prompt generator taking you step by step on steroids, which is really cool. Keeps you organized for creating sales pages. Specifically, this creates sales pages for you. Remember, you get my bonus Clickspark AI, amazing YouTube titles. Thanks so much. Links will be below. See you next time.